Alright, so let's go through this question. We have this curve with this equation. So they say in the case of k equal to 5, show that the line is tangent to the curve and find the coordinate of the point of contact, right? Okay, so for this question, for the tangent part, it's actually testing us on our b square minus 4ac equal to 0. Because I only touch at one point. So the b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So first, we must submit the 5. So what is the equation of the curve is like this. Then the line is like this, right? Okay, then you put them together and you move everything to the left hand side. So what you'll get is actually x squared minus 6x plus 9 equal to 0. The last part is actually to prove b squared minus 4ac is equal to 0. So when you sub in or negative 6 bracket square minus 4 times 1 times 9, right, you will notice that you will get 36 minus 36 equal to 0. So in this case, I already proved that b squared minus 4ac is equal to 0. So means that they actually only cut at one point or touch at one point. Okay, for the find the coordinate of the point of contact, I'll leave it to you. So this one is rather simple. I'll move on to part 2 first. Okay, part 2, they say that explain why there's only one value of k for which y cannot be negative and state the value. So I say that when I say y cannot be negative, it's as good as saying that it's equal to 0 or more than 0. So if I plot so let's just say I want to plot the curve must be above this x-axis. So what is the discriminant? Okay, assuming that it's not equal to 0, it's strictly more than 0, right? It means that b squared minus 4ac is less than 0. So less or equal to 0 lah. Okay, of course, now we move on to find. So b squared minus 4ac, right? So b squared minus 4ac is strictly less or equal to 0. Then after I just need to do the thing. So k squared plus 4k plus 4, right, minus 8k is less or equal to 0. So you just need to, so k squared minus 4k plus 2 is less or equal to 0. So you, plus 4, not plus 2, plus 4. Okay, then you just need to do the thing. So k minus 2 bracket square more or equal to 0. Since we know that k minus 2 bracket square is must always be positive, right? So k minus 2, you equate, because they want the value of k, means that this must be equal to 0. So k is equal to positive 2. So k must be equal to positive 2. So that's how we solve this question.